back to another video. I'm Shanika. If you guys are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Y'all, good morning. We are actually on our way to like the beach and to the pool today with my best friend. But y'all, I don't have anything that I need for this day. Like, I'm hairy. My hair looks crazy. I don't have any essentials. Like, we're staying overnight. Like, I just normally like to, like, because we've been doing this like every year. I normally like to be prepared, y'all, and your girl is not. So we're on our way to Walmart before we do anything. I just look crazy. I'm like, I can't believe I didn't get myself together, y'all. It's just been a week, like, and to make matters worse, my period just came on, so I'm bloated. Who wants to be at the pool bloated? I'm a little annoyed about that, but we're gonna get over it. Yeah, so I need to just grab a few things from the store, like tampons and sunscreen and hair products and all kind of stuff. I didn't even do my hair, so we gotta figure this out. But yeah, I will see y'all once we get to the store. Alright, y'all, so we are on our way to the pool, the beach. I'm here picking up my best friend right now, but I'm gonna clean my car out real quick. This hair, y'all, it's not doing what I wanted to do, but it's fine. We're going to the pool. It's okay. It's gonna get wet anyway. But I'll show y'all my outfit when we get there. Nothing too crazy. We're first about to go to brunch. I want to go pick up a bottle from the liquor store, and I need to run to like a drugstore real quick to pick up some stuff that I wasn't able to find at Walmart. This car, move out the way. Yeah. Yep, y'all, so we are on our way. I cannot wait to literally lay around and do nothing all day at the freaking pool. Like, I cannot freaking wait, so. Y'all be so fake when I pull the camera out.
You catching me off guard. You know I can't be offensive, but I got the person to that hollering.
I tune y'all out anyway. Like, I don't do audio when I'm talking. Well, I try not to. Alright, y'all, so we are at Green Eggs Cafe to get food, and we're waiting. It's like a 20-minute wait, and it's hot as crap out here. I don't know why I wore this long sleeve, y'all. Actually, it's a bathing suit cover up. I had my bathing suit top on, but it's burning up. This is the perfect day, literally the perfect day to lay by the pool, because yesterday it was pouring outside. Okay, so we are at the pool. Just put on my bikini, sunscreen, and I'm ready for the day. I'm just taking my shot to the head. Y'all, a fucking bird, a bird just shitted on my arm. I swear, I hope this means that I'm going to get good luck soon, because this is fucking disgusting. Like, I was sitting there minding my business and a bird came and shitted on my arm. Like, what the fuck? Oh my God. So disgusting. What the fuck? I like get off with some soap and water. Disgusting. Like, ew. And I'm gonna go tell my best friend and her ass is asleep. I better win the fucking lottery. Like real rap. That was the room tour. We made it to the room. We have dinner reservations later. It's like 6 o'clock, so I guess we about to chill in a room until then. I'm not tired, so I'm about to make myself a drink because I need a drink. We got 1800. Pineapple juices. Put these over here. Yo, so I forgot my charger, but I'm so happy. Like, this place has like chargers on deck. The iPhone charger. They even got a charger for my camera. If you got like an Android, they got chargers on deck. I'm so excited about that, y'all. This is supposedly like newly renovated, so far so good.
At the end of it, and everyone's having such a good time throughout it. There's a huge universe.
girl is about to make herself a drink. I look so crazy. Oh, good. The ice machine is with me right here. Don't gotta go far. Oh, they got a vending machine too, but you already know this part hella expensive. Because we are about to make a drink, y'all. This hotel room, honestly, was worth it. It was more expensive because if y'all remember, like if you watch my vlog, my boyfriend came here like a month or two ago and we didn't get the upgraded room. Y'all, that shower, this is why I don't mind paying a little extra for a better room because it's just a better all-around better experience. Just the shower alone was amazing. Like it was like the two, like I was getting hit from this way and from this way. Like it just felt like a massage. It was great. I love the lighting. I love it, everything. Like I probably will never go back to the regular room, honestly. Say what you want, but we deserve nice things. We deserve nice things, guys. What we doing? Ain't nobody upstage me.
Ain't nobody upgift you.
Yeah, like. Like if you want to do that, we could literally do that.
Beauty now has more than 300 unique brands in store. Find your faves or discover something new, like Billie Eilish and Dolce & Gabbana fragrance. Makeup from Elf Cosmetics. The $5 Pringles box is back at Taco Bell and it's so good.
Maybe it's that
So we made it out. We had to push our reservations back 15 minutes because we were a little late, but yeah, it's no problem. And then we're on our way to dinner. And we're matching.
We are.
I think you can't see, but breaking the fuck up.
I wanted to ask me, like, I want something sweet, but I said I want something like sweet, but I didn't see it on the menu. Like all of the sweet ones had like,
Oh my god. Way too much food.
it was getting crazy.
I'm looking at another margarita. And we cannot wait to get home.
Crack your fortune cookie open.
You're right. Crack my fortune cookie. You missed that to me. Maybe I was supposed to open that one.
You think not?
Yeah, like why would it ever fly over there and hit you? It says, you will travel to many exotic places in your lifetime.
That's true. I like the churches.
I love this for me. Love that for me. I can't eat this. This just fell on the floor. I mean, yeah. You don't eat fortune cookies?
No, but that was right there.
The fortune is outside the cookie though.
This is bad open box.
Your humor will come. This is about me because I'm funny. This is mine. Your humor will. Let me see. Since I'm the funny one out the group.
A funny person will nominate yourself the funny person, right? So I don't think that's how it works.
But I think I'm funny.
And you're opening up that bad open cookie. Like,
This is about me, guys, because I'm the funny one. Your humor will come in handy in your next job. A comedian? Does God want me to be a comedian? Like, come on. You a hater.
talk to these people tomorrow when you're sober, because you're over here being crazy.
I am sober. Alright, we back home. We are back in the room like the aunties that we are, because it's been a long day, y'all. I was so tired at like dinner, like I could barely keep my eyes open. So I'm about to wash this makeup off, take these clothes off, and get into bed, and I'm going to have a ball. Like, I cannot wait to go to sleep. I can't wait to go to sleep, y'all. Oh my god, I'm getting so old. Like, remember back in the day, like we would be out all night. Well, I wasn't vlogging then, but when me and my best friend would like do trips like to Miami and stuff, we would be out like all night. But also too, like things close really early here, so I feel like if we was able to sleep until like at least 10, we'll be able to get up, do a little power nap and get up and keep the night going. But because like we had to like kind of like from the pool, have a real quick pit stop, get ready, come back up, drive, like I had to drive here, y'all. Like, it's just been too much. So I had a great day. Like, this was enough for me. I'm about to relax so that I can be
Tell them how tired you are?
yes. Yeah, I was telling them how like when we used to go to Miami,
Yeah.
like I feel like we used to be out all night, and
Yeah.
but now it's like
You were crazy.
I don't have that stamina anymore.
Yeah.
Like, and it's crazy. Like,
I never did. I was faking it. But you had it.
yeah, but I used to could be able to, you know, be out all day, take a nap, and that's what I was saying. Like, if things stay open later, and I was able to, after the pool, like lounge for like at least 5 to 6 hours, I would be able to go out again. But because I didn't even get a nap or nothing then, like I'm crashing out. And that's why for me personally, like I love like Vegas and Miami, because they stay open like all night.
Yeah.
So if I'm gonna be like if I'm me personally gonna be up all night, I need to be at a place like that. But it is what it is. Let's see. I'm about to see what's on the TV. Oh, it's 11:11. She's talking about, oh please, y'all. She can't wait to go in the bed and go to sleep. Like this auntie. As soon as she hit them sheets, she gonna be out like a light, out like a light, out like a light. I want to put a movie on.
For what?
You like trying to kill my vibe. I like movies.
I said, oh please, because you're not gonna be watching it.
You don't know that. You gonna be asleep.
I am, so are you.
No, I ain't. I want to put a movie on. I want to watch something.
Okay. What you putting on? What you got in mind?
Something free. I ain't paying for none of these movies. They done lost their mind.
For sure.
High as this goddamn room was. And they got a nerve to be selling movies. Everything should be free in here.
Don't
Good morning, you guys. So it's probably real foggy right now because good morning, y'all. So I came and sat on the beach this morning. It's probably like it's 9:03, and I just came to sit out here, get some sun, get some fresh air, just relax, y'all. I woke up probably like 8, so thirsty. I had to go to the bathroom, and I never would make it sleep. So I was like, let me come down here to the beach, y'all. This beach is not the best. It's not like the cleanest, but any beach to me, like the sound of the ocean is so relaxing. So I'm like, I'm gonna just sit out here for like maybe like 30 minutes and just catch the sun and the waves and people watch. I'm so thirsty though, y'all. Look at the ocean. Sweat my life away. In the sauna. How was your massage?
It was great. I love her. Like, she was so nice. Jane was good.
Hey y'all, we are back home. Your girl looks crazy. I just brushed this hair out. I look crazy, y'all, but we are back home. I actually been home for a while now. I just was catching up with my boyfriend, and I made some hot wings for dinner, y'all, and unpacked my suitcase. Can y'all believe I unpacked a suitcase? If you know, you know, but your girl don't unpack suitcases. Like, my suitcase be packed until I'm about to go on my next trip, but I'm trying to turn over a new leaf, and I wanted to unpack my suitcase. I washed a suitcase, y'all. I took a suitcase. I still can't believe I took a suitcase for one day, but I unpacked that. I washed everything that was in there. I'm putting everything, like all of my like things, back where they belong, and then I'm straightening up. We have a long, when I tell you long, we have a long weekend ahead of us. So I work tomorrow. Well, today, y'all know I just drove back from our little vacation, which we had such a good time, me and my best friend. That's a mandatory every year. Like, it's just heartwarming to spend like a day overnight with her, because we used to like actually take road trips, but you know, life gets busy, you get older, you know, things change. But I always want to make sure that I'm at least implementing something like that every year, every summer, in our relationship, because it's just our thing, and I want to make sure that we do that all the time and be intentional about like spending time with my best friend. So we had a good time, but like I said, we have a busy weekend coming up, y'all. Tomorrow I work, then I have to go from work straight to helping to prep, because my boyfriend has a huge catering event on Saturday, and me and his mom and like I think 2 other people are helping him with the event. So it's going to take us like 2 days to prepare for this. He is paying us, so this is a paid position, so I got to treat it just like work. So after work tomorrow I'm gonna go, well, tonight I gotta do some stuff tonight, like prep, like gather all the stuff, organize it, put it in bins, and then tomorrow I have to work. Then after work, go to his mom's house because he have to do like prepping like fruit and food and stuff like that, and that's probably going to be all day long because I think it's like he said 200 people, or it's a lot of people that where he's going to be cooking for. So then Saturday is the event, which we got to drive back to Jersey. Saturday is an all-day thing. And then Sunday, my friend just asked me to put a sew in her hair. So I was like, okay. Because, yeah, like, I just can't tell her no. So yeah, so that's my weekend. And then Monday I'm off. And I'm like, I feel like I got something else going on. But everything's a blur, y'all. It's a blur. We have a long weekend. Of course, I'm gonna be bringing y'all along with me. This is just gonna be a continuation vlog. I want the vlog. I'm trying to get into doing like longer vlogs, so at least like 45 minute vlogs. So because I noticed like that's the thing, and I kind of want to stay on top of the algorithm, because I feel like I'm finally finding how to work this algorithm thing, which that's YouTube. Like if you are a small YouTuber and you're trying to like grow, you have to understand the algorithm, or YouTube will not push your videos out. So if you do certain things that you have to do to get on top of the algorithm, but once you do, you good. Once you got the algorithm on your side, you're good. So I feel like I'm kind of like, I'm not where I want to be, but I feel like I'm kind of getting there. But yeah, y'all, let me finish getting this room together, y'all. I don't even want y'all to see what this environment is looking like. It's very messy, just very, very messy, and I want to straighten it up. And so yeah, it's probably gonna be an all-nighter, y'all. I want to be asleep at least by 1 a.m. because I do have to work tomorrow, but we'll see. We will see. And happy Saturday. Today is Saturday, and we actually have a tall task. I think I talked to y'all about this in the previous clips, but today my boyfriend has a really big catering event that he is catering. So we're up early. He got up at 4 a.m. y'all. I just got up a couple hours ago, and now I have to go to the store. I have to go grab some stuff for the catering event. Then I have to come back and I have to cut pineapples. Then I have to clean out my trunk and his trunk so that we could transport all the stuff, y'all. So we got a lot going on. It's early. I just want to come on here and introduce y'all to the day because it's gonna be very chaotic, and I will talk to y'all once we get to the store. They got the cups with the stems. So these 6.
Alright, so I take 40?
Yeah.
I need like...
You don't want the bowls?
I've been down till you say of how I eat on that pussy.
Yeah. Oops. Okay, y'all. Yeah. So, like I said, we are here, y'all. It looks absolutely beautiful here. We still gotta put everything together. Painted rooms.
Yeah. Conscious. Matic. Alright, so far where I come from. I sit and wonder about the times that it made sense. But nowadays I don't worry about what's past tense. My younger days I used to hang around with mad friends. If we just fell out, I don't really know what happened. A lot of people come around and keep you stagnant, distraction. So yeah, don't show them no compassion. We was really out here grinding, really rapping, stacking them Franklins, them Grants and them Jacksons. Imagine if we would've never chased our passion. We probably would've never knew what happened. They was all just talk, we showed action. Once they leave, don't you let them back in. Just pack up all they stuff and send them packing. I'm blacking on anybody thinking they could act up with me. This vibe ain't for free, cause where I'm at in life, I'm only focused on me. Note the self, know yourself, focus on your health. They don't wanna help, then fuck it, do it by yourself. Don't give them no excuse to put you on the shelf. If it's me, myself, and I, then it's no one else. Yeah. Self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it. Yeah, self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it. Love yourself.
Yeah, practice what you preaching, but clearly they not practicing entitlement and pride. Yeah, those two things they factor in. Spiral out of control just from all the bantering. When they accustomed to talking behind your back with all that chattering. I remove myself before I abuse myself. Talk about self-love, but you gotta do it yourself. Yeah, I won't act too good for no help.
Good morning, y'all, and happy Sunday. Today is Sunday, the next day after that huge event yesterday, y'all. First and foremost, let's just talk about the event. It was gorgeous. It was a beautiful event. Like, these people went all out for their daughter's Sweet 16. Well, it was a quinceañera. And so, like, you know, in their culture, they like it was almost like a wedding, y'all. Like, it was beautiful. So the food was fun, y'all. When I tell y'all, they ate every drop of that food. Like, they did not leave anything on the table. Like, they had it was coming up for seconds and thirds, y'all. And my boyfriend was a little like, I'm not gonna say nervous, but he was like, it's different. Like, this is like, he caters for like mostly like black people. So when they reached out to him and they wanted like kind of like Spanish style food, he was like kind of like a little nervous, but y'all, he killed it. They loved the food. The people who booked him, the father of the girl, she was like, listen, he was like, this food was everything. He was like, the flavor was there, it was amazing. He was like, if you ever have an event where you're like doing taste testings, I want to be there. Like, they loved his food, y'all. Like, that's one thing that I love seeing. Like, I love like seeing, because he be working hard, y'all. Like, he got up at 4 a.m. So it'd be satisfying to see that like all of his hard work pays off. Him and his sous chef, and then me and his mom, like, y'all, we a little team, and we got it was a tall task, but we got it handled, y'all. Came home last night. My boyfriend, I don't know how he had the strength, but he wanted to go watch the fight yesterday. But I came home afterwards. I was like, I don't see how you get the strength. But y'all, I could not. He was like, yeah, we could just clean the kitchen tomorrow. Y'all, I could not leave my kitchen like that. Like, I just could not. So I pretty much deep cleaned the kitchen last night. And now we're here today, and I have to do my girl's hair. I told her she can come over at 2, y'all. She's like one of the only people that can get me out of retirement. Because y'all know your girl is a body waxer, but hair was always my first love. So people who I used to do hair for back in the day, like, sometimes they'll still call me and ask me to do their hair, and I'll honor it. So that's what we're about to do now. I gotta go to the store and grab some stuff because I don't have everything I need for this hairstyle. And then what else do I want to do? I want to get this vlog up and out. So if I'm feeling up to it, because it's Sunday, so that means I'm off again tomorrow, so I'm good. I don't have to go back to work until Tuesday night. So if I'm feeling up to it after we do her hair, I might come outside and we might edit the vlog, depending on how I feel. I gotta see how my body reacts. I feel like I got enough sleep last night, y'all, because I actually went to sleep at like 12:31. And I didn't get up until like 11. So I got a pretty good amount of sleep, so I should be good. But yeah, y'all, I just want to come on here and update y'all about yesterday and what we have going on today. And I will see y'all maybe later. This might be the end of the vlog after y'all see me do what I gotta do. I don't know. Because I'm going to be filming a whole completely different video for the hair. So see y'all later.
Hold up. Are these flowers from that one guy you went on the one date with that I thought was you, but I actually met him at his baby shower. Really? Because there weren't a lot of men there.
Lost in the ashes of time, but who wants the most? Longing to hold you again, I'm caught in your shadow. I'm losing control. We only have today, trust me and I will follow. In your afterglow, heal me from all this sorrow. As I let you go, I will find my way. I will sacrifice till the blinding day. When I see your light.